when bridges became the battleground. Have you ever looked at a bridge and thought of it as anything more than a way to get across? Today we're stepping into moments in history when bridges turned into the most critical pieces of real estate on the battlefield. From the very first glance, we see how something so ordinary suddenly becomes the key to winning or losing entire wars. And as we move forward, we realize these structures were never just stone and steel. They were decisions, risks, and lifelines. Why bridges matter so much? As we follow the flow of history, we notice a pattern. Armies didn't fight over open fields just for glory. They aimed for bridges because controlling one meant controlling movement, supplies, and survival. A single bridge could decide whether thousands made it home or never returned. That's why, time after time, we see troops rushing, defending, destroying, or rebuilding these crossings. They weren't just fighting over a road, they were fighting over a future.
The pressure at the crossing. When we picture soldiers pushing forward, the scene becomes intense. Everything narrows down to one tight path. The enemy knows you're coming, and you have no other route. Every step becomes a gamble. The closer we get, the more we feel the tension rise, because one hit, one blown support, or one missed move could collapse the only way through. That pressure turned every bridge into a silent opponent, forcing strategy, bravery, and sometimes desperate choices. When bridges became symbols, as battles raged, bridges slowly shifted from being simple structures to symbols of hope or resistance. Whether it was a final stand, a bold raid, or a fight to hold on until reinforcements arrived, each bridge carried a story bigger than itself. When the dust settled, these crossings often stood as reminders of sacrifice, courage, and the power of small places to change huge events. Why it still matters today. Even in our modern world, we still see how a single bridge can shift the balance in conflicts. Technology changes, weapons change, but the logic stays the same. Whoever holds the bridge holds the direction of the battle. And that's why these ancient fights still echo today, teaching us how critical these simple structures really are.